not from Earth. What could be that is not coming from the Earth? Well, if I flip the box, you may recognize the Gravastar logo. But if you don't know them, don't worry, because we are going to unbox it and see what's inside. Keyboard, I think. Let's open it up. What could this be? Even after you see the image of the product, you may be wondering, what the hell is this? Like, is it a Funko Pop? Something like that? Well, not at all. This is the Venus from Gravastar, and as you can read from here, it's a wireless speaker, of course. What the hell is this colorful packaging, this strange design for a speaker? Well, this is the crucial point about Gravastar. Their design is just unique. You can't see anything like it. Just the unboxing experience, it's awesome. A comic in here with the speaker we're going to unbox represented. Let's remove this first piece. We're gonna have a look at the speaker itself later. We've got the Gravastar G2, a cable, and the user manual, because this is a wireless speaker, so we'll have the charging cable, of course. There is like a small piece of, I don't know, foam. There is the cable, and it's a Type-C. There you go. Finally, a Type-C connector speaker to a USB for charging. This is nice. Stop using micro USB. And this is also a cable made from fabrics, so pretty nice. It's, I think, a meter long. And let's see the user manual. Oh no. Let's just keep on going with the unboxing. So, there you go. In all its majesty. It's pretty small. I thought it was bigger, I'll be honest. But this is just so freaking cool. Like, look at this. Would you say that this is a speaker? This is some unique design. Like, this cyberpunk-like effect. There is the charging port on the bottom side, the Type-C. There is the speaker. This is the sub, I think. We have a couple of buttons right here, and there are also two buttons right here, and other two physical here. Let's have a closer look and let's try it out. Stick until the end of the video, because we're actually going to give away one of these amazing speakers. Learn more at the end of the video. So, the interface is pretty simple. In fact, we've got these two buttons with the 1 and 2 that are for turning down the volume and turning up the volume. Then, these two on the front are this dot icon. It's for turning on, off, pause, and resume. This other one is for the Bluetooth connectivity. So here I've got my phone for the Bluetooth. Let's turn it on.
Ready to pair.
As you heard, it's ready to pair, and I've got it here on my device. Gravastar Venus. Let's connect it. Yes, connected.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected. And we should be ready to rock. Let's crank up the volume. Oh, it's at its maximum. It can be connected in stereo mode to other devices. When I recorded the video, I didn't realize I only played copyrighted songs. So now we're going to play some songs from YouTube audio library. My impressions are great. This little speaker can handle a huge variety of frequencies. It sounds really neat and clear at almost all volume. At the highest, it can distort a little bit, but usually if the audio quality from the file is not great. Otherwise, from YouTube, the audio quality is very good. It's super portable, and this is nice because like yesterday I went to watch a movie with a friend of mine at her home, and I brought this little Venus, and the audio quality compared to the one from the TV speakers was incredible. Basses, nice. The voice were clear, crispy. If you want to bring it, it's super compact, this little speaker, so you can put it inside a bag or inside a pocket of your jacket. I did this. The quality of the audio is super nice. The battery life advertised is 8 hours, and I've been using it for 3 days, and I can confirm it. Of course, it depends on the volume also that you play your tracks at, but overall super cool and useful speaker. The Bluetooth range, it's pretty standard, like the 10 meters and you're used to on every Bluetooth device. This little ring of LED, you can change it by pressing both the volume buttons. As you can see, red, green, violet, pink, white, and then back to blue. A nice detail. Bluetooth, no problem whatsoever connecting it. A strange thing I noticed is that it seems like, especially at maximum volume, there's a little bit of distortion while using Spotify, while if you hear the same song from YouTube, you don't have the distortion. This was an easy fix. I just needed to set the maximum quality possible on Spotify. And another strange thing, not negative, is that Spotify recognizes it as a car. That's strange, but I think it's something to do with the Bluetooth module. So, price, it's €100, 99 and 95, I think. It grants a good quality audio and a high volume. Strength point of this product is the design. If you come with this speaker, everyone will be shocked. I showed it to my brother, and he was just mind blown by the size. Like, this is really, really small. This is my watch as a comparison, and it's really tiny, like the size of a wrist. Colors are shadow black, which is black and gold, flare red, which is red and black, down white, which is white and black, and this one, aurora green, which is green and black. This is perfect in my mind if you want like to hang out with your friend. You don't want to bring a massive Bluetooth speaker, you just want to chill and hear some music. You can fit it pretty much anywhere. There is also a case for traveling with this. It's like €20 on Gravastar website, but even if you use the box it comes in, not the most practical, but it will end the job just fine. One thing that I didn't really love is the fact that it has 3 fits, as you can see. So if like it happened that I was pressing to crank up the volume and it just went like this, because if I press like in this angle, you see it can lay down on the floor. But overall, really great speaker, and I mean, where can you find something like this? It's just one of a kind. It looks like one of a kind, but you can get it for a reasonable price. If you've made it this far in the video, you deserve a prize. What's about, you may ask? Well, we're going to give away one of these amazing Venus speakers on my Instagram account, galaxy.setup. Check it in the link in the bio and activate the notification bell for the posts and stories, because I'm going to update you on how and when will the giveaway be activated there. Also, if you've liked this video, subscribe, leave a like and a comment, very appreciated, and see you soon. Bye!